Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sky, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to combine the systems we created before. In particular, the last video we created a system for picking up objects, and in the video before that we created system for interacting with objects. So we are gonna combine them so you can just interact with the object and pick it up like that. So it's actually really simple. I'm gonna go into the master item, and I'm gonna go into class settings, and I'm gonna add the interface here. I'm gonna set it to, I think it's called, yeah, it's interaction. So I'm gonna set it to that. And then in the event graph, I'm gonna right click the interacted, implement event, take these nodes, and I'm gonna hold my left alt, click on these pins to unconnect them. I'm gonna delete this event because we don't need it. And I'm gonna drag this down, plug it into the event, and we need a new object plugged in. So I'm just gonna search for get player character, and that's it. Now, when you go into viewport, last important thing that I don't even know I mentioned in the interaction video, your mesh that you wanna interact with needs to block the line trace. That's actually really important because if you overlap it, it won't trigger. So we are gonna go down in the collision, and in the collision presets, instead of overlap all, we need block all dynamic. And that's it. Compile, save. And now if we go into the plane, I'm gonna come up to the sword, interact with it, and we need to actually hit it with the line trace like this. And we have equipped the sword, and the same with the bat. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you implement it. So thanks for watching, and see ya.